Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I didn't have any purchases this month, so I just thought I'd do a video on how I try and decide what next restoration I'm going to do. I did start posting at the end of my other videos, so you knew what was coming up, but that destroys quite a bit of flexibility for me. For instance, I had the next video restoration done before I finished the dinky black cab. So these are in my current choices at the moment. Coming round at the moment, we've got a little VW. I'm going to do that as a Herbie VW Beetle. I have got a trailer for it as well, for it. Whoa. Well, he's not going to drop off there, so we'll just try and leave him as he is, I think. I've got a trailer for him, but I'm going to do him in the Herbie Goes to Monte Carlo with the front plate for the Monte Carlo Rally, etc. Then I've got 3 race cars there. The big one is the Ferrari 312 B2 Corgi in the Firestone livery, number 5. Then number 19 is, let me have a look, number 19 is an Aston DBR5, and number 3 is a Lotus. I want to do those as well because I've got a couple of race carriers, but I've got no cars to put them in yet, and I'm not quite up to the skill level to do the race transporters, so I can at least get the cars ready. Then I've got 3 American cars I've got in gold coming round now. Cadillac Eldorado, which I'm going to do a bit of a rock and roll theme on that. Coming round just after, next to the white Capris, is a Ford Thunderbird with a bit of white paint and a Cadillac 60 Special. I want to do those. I've got ideas for those. One may be original, the Thunderbird, the others won't be. I've also got these 4 plus a trailer to go with the Lotus number 17 car to do. The Astons I've been waiting to do. Martin Dares did tell me they'd be easy to do, so I want to do them. I'm a big fan of Aston Martins. One of the issues I've had, because I've only just started, is where to get parts for cars like tyres, etc. at reasonable prices. I think I've now resolved that, just waiting for a delivery, which is why I couldn't finish the London taxi as I wished. I've always been a big fan of Lotus, especially in these early days when it was in the John Player special colours. And I've got a huge Lotus to do, which you've probably seen in my purchases, about 1/16 scale. So I do want to do the JPS. I am going to have to buy those decals because I can't print gold. If the decals hadn't been so small and intricate, especially around the John Player special race car there, I could have done them, I think. I could have got away with it. I'd worked out something, but they're just too small for me to replicate. If you've seen some of the number plates I've done, you can see that they're very, very small. So my printer has just not got the definition to do those. So that's how I decide what I'm going to do. What I was hoping to do was have a vote, an interactive vote on YouTube, but you need 500 subscribers to do a vote. I haven't got that many subscribers, so I can't do that. But if you put anything in the comments, like you'd rather see the Astons before I do the Lotus, etc., feel free to comment and I'll try and take it on board. I've decided what I'm going to start with next. It's probably the VW or the Capris. They are intact, they don't need parts, they do need decals. I'm perfectly capable of doing those. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and thank you for commenting. Get back to you with the next restoration.